Well, now is the fun part. I've got this giant hunk of English walnut limb that has a little bit of a curve to it. It's 30 inches wide this way, so it's too wide for me to slab all the way through, unfortunately. I can roll it up on this end, and it's only 24 inches wide, which I can get the saw head through, and will probably make some pretty interesting grained wood. And so I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to roll it up 90 degrees and do my best to secure it and then start making some slabs. This could get interesting. If you guys follow Blacktail Studio on YouTube, Cam lives in Portland area somewhere, and he gets a lot of his walnut slabs that he makes tables and stuff with from a place called Gobi Hardwood, and they actually bought the trunks of this log and the black walnut logs that I have up above. So all I have are some limbs. I thought this was a pretty substantial chunk. It's not super long, but heck, there's no such thing as scrap wood. Let's open this thing up. This stuff is looking incredible. I think what I'm going to do now, because of the shape of this piece, I'm going to flip it up 90, because I think there's some pretty cool book match stuff to make out of what's left if I flip it up on its edge. So I'll pull this slab off, rotate it, finish slabbing it out. Man, I cannot wait to use this stuff. All right, let's do a little Christmas in May. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Absolutely awesome. Well, I'm going to get these things laid out and sprayed off with some water, and then we'll get a piece of black walnut up here. Man, I cannot wait to work with these. Oh man. Man, that is awesome. This walnut's really messing with the color of my sawdust. Now these black walnut limbs are about as big as I have. I've got probably 4 or 5 of these. I have never sawed black walnut before. I've done English walnut, but this is a first and I'm pretty stoked, so I'm gonna get to it. Alright, this piece is a little wonky, so I'm gonna cut it. I got about 5 feet of straight here, so I think I'll cut it. Oh, this smells quite a bit different. And the wood almost looks kind of green. As it oxidizes, it'll turn more of a dark brown. Because these logs are smaller diameter, I'm just cutting them into 5/4 boards, 1.25 inches. 13 inches, 14. These will be nice usable boards. So I'll flip this over 180 and finish sawing. It's kind of neat how it just almost looks like Hawaiian Islands. The heartwood poking up through the sapwood. Well, I'm going to spray off the sawdust, get them good and clean, stickered and stacked, and then forget about them for a while. Well guys, I am super stoked about this. I see some pretty cool tables in my future. Quite a few of you have asked if I'm thinking about a kiln, and I definitely am now. I think I'm going to stack and sticker these in the shipping container here, and probably get a dehumidifier and a small fan and see if I can't speed up the drying process just a little bit. The rooster thinks that's a good idea. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. So does the rooster. Stick around, we'll see you soon.